So today I am giving my Air Forces a bit of a makeover by using a method called hydro dipping, which is using spray paint and water to get this marbled appearance. When I dip the shoes, I don't want my laces, sole, or the Nike swoosh to get covered, so I'm gonna unlace the shoes and tape what I want untouched with duct tape. I got some paint from Lowe's for about $4 a can, and then I filled my bucket with water and sprayed the paint into the bucket to create this marbled layer. There is no right or wrong way of spraying the paint, it's all up to your liking, but you can use as many colors as you want. I just chose 2 just because I was experimenting. When you dip the shoe, I recommend dipping one side at a time and then moving it around in the water to get some even coverage. I also wouldn't dunk the whole shoe like I did, just so that you're not getting the complete inside of your shoe wet. When you hydro dip your shoes, you absolutely want to make sure you're wearing gloves, wear clothes you don't mind getting a little bit of paint on, and make sure you use cold water. I can't stress that enough. When you use hot water, you get this skim-like texture on your shoes, but cold water helps the paint stay more consistent and fluid. I tested it on a plastic cup before I dip my shoes so you can see the difference between hot and cold water. Hot water gives you this inconsistency, whereas cold water just evens out. Now I'm just repeating the steps, spraying one layer of paint each time I dip the shoes again. In some places you see me dipping the same side twice, and that's just because the paint wasn't catching, so I decided to dip it again. You don't have to if you want each side to look kind of unique. I just personally wanted a thicker coverage. After I'm done dipping, I let the shoes air dry completely. When they're all dry, I took the duct tape off very carefully so that I didn't peel the paint off, and then I laced the shoes back up. I personally like how they came out. I do wish I added a lot more pink because they kind of look gray, and from a distance they look like a camouflage texture, which throws me off a little bit. But other than that, I really hope you try it at home. It's a really cool DIY project, and you can try it on many different materials or objects. So of course I had to put a little fit together just to see how the shoes look, and honestly I am loving it. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave any comments if you have any suggestions, please subscribe for more content, and I will be seeing you guys later. Bye!